kitwe bi na ye bedi. Enkomo kitwe bi na ye ba bedi. And as you all know, no, for some years now, I don't talk. Men kasa biem. And ama me ho atobe pa masuma dwome. Just focusing on my marriage and my kids. Me dream me ho. You all can testify to it, say. Me dream me ho.
All right, Ebusha, for me, more be about the marketing media once again. So, of course, social media says, yeah, assemble quiet trendy says, yeah, into sorry between Tracy Boakye and an actor Kyekyeku, a comic actor, and I say Kumawood actor, friend Kyekyeku. Now, yanko tie the reason why in tia, I say Antokwa way, sorry, Tracy Boakye ni Kyekyeku in them no. Tracy Boakye abe video, ebe reveal secret, yanko tie and sema, ekofa sa ne ma we nyina bae.
Bibi ha me kakra. I know my husband will not be happy with this, but I feel like yes, it's not an attack or anything, but I feel like I should spell it out. Yeah, at the economy, or social media. Into my dream, say if it's not going well, social media nana. It was a medeba. Oh, why you saying, mommy, we beg, please? Enye bibi bonny. No, as I said, enye bibi bonny. Na idea me pese ye nyina ye di tu ye hofo. On say, ye celebrities no say ye donation na ye bibi na ye video ba ya na ebi mo say, oh, you could have done it without a camera. Ya na ebi mo say ye nhwehwe ni mu. I've been seeing those comments. You could have done it without a camera. You could have done it without a camera. But me bet you one reason why in tia ye bibia ye the camera to so ye menyame ye free akomem ye menyame ye free akomem asem we aha me pam the type asem ha me a me worry na masesa asem ha me a me come ani free me mu na I'm okay. But then my husband will be like yeah twaso then I just make us you could see in me say asem no ye me if I don't control myself maybe I mean to me nkenwie. But my gada me hona me kasa 2021 me hona me penny be sending me video. I even posted it on Instagram. Penny mu pan or sending me video and say Tracy, look for this guy. Some obesha until me post here and me caption say me hwehwe no. Yes, obesha me caption video we say I'm looking for nipa sending me say oh yeah boano and me post here. Most of papa my man phone nyina it's not even on my page. Me delete it, but I don't know why this particular video mean deleting free me page. Now fast forward. Thank you. I'm a grateful. Thank you. Fast forward. As I said, say asema ha me check, but then I feel yemfen to ye hofo because be brain na antini me bia se de nti a ye papa ye twa yemfen to ye hofo. Me knew Kyekyeku wo baby o, but then me whole video where I just called him home and me ye ni papa because as at that time we all know say nipa bia here nipa to support. So I did whatever I did for this guy from my heart. Yes, okay, fast forward. And a video no mo be fie no eso enye. I haven't deleted it. Okay. Enti obe fie enye. As you can see, me channel $2,000. Me nye papa ma obi enka. I'm not that type, but asem we me ya. Me so ewo me like me ya. Any I am not that type. I'm a papa mo bi ameka. Ana say me di epa nipa no enum. But ye nyina yemfa di we enye efutusem. As you can see from my voice, me so kwa me so. Because me ya. Mo fanche me fight here small mo fanche. Fast forward. Man control me, I mean to me, but I'll control myself. Ever since that time, Mama follow me channel. How many times someone who's a boy or try me movie? Mama follow Tracy Boakye TV no. How many times and I'm who say Kyekyeku try me movie? Because me movie, me try I use everybody. Me you see obia. I don't focus on nipa bako. Me you see obia. Inti ewo ho ana masesem me you see akra for kakra. Ewo ho ana masesem no me you see kumasi for kakra. Na when na some time ago I called Kyekyeku. Me friend no na me say oh Cheche medjuma. And I say mommy mate. So time no na wa disappoint me be 3 times. And me say tell me no so yeah. Ebia wa busy yen fa nkofofofo na me say mate ntimbo ha ebedi. People have started WhatsApping me. Me bufu ye. I am just saying something na eye me ya. Eye me ya. Me Kyekyeku asem pa o. But asem no ye me ya. Now, se obia the artist eba. Ye nyina ye de eba. So obia the artist eba. Na obia frey be fie ye papa we bia. Me nye sure say ka industry ni e benya problem da. This is a message I have sent to this boy, but me cheniska no me de ba social media. Enti no, ade ode ye me na ye me ya no. I want to bring it here because obi tinchen a onti ase. Obi tinchen a onti bibi ase. Minim je me dia boy. Or disappointed na senior stubborn ghost movie no. Na me ni no me jai no kasa for like 1 year. Me be babroche and I say oh me channel no be da ho kwade. Me please nobody should call me. Me boom fuye. I am only saying something about boy nyina. I'm not angry. Me boom fu just say eye me ya. I say me be start make I say eye me ya e bia man control me ho gra me ntimi nye. But ye nyina ye mfa ntu ye ho fo. Se wo se celebrity bi anya ne ho. Obo obi etimodin on cheska because more time kasa asem na so mesini se che den. Me kra me cheska amanfo se me on great me yenhwehwe ni mu. And I yenhwehwe ni mu and anko na wo ska. Eno ntina pese ye nyina ye mfa de we entu ye ho fo. I am only here to explain certain things. Me bufui. Me ene yemfa she date say. Date a Kyekyeku kan yes date na me de share. Ena ye koye adwuma no. Abusuafo mu nyina mu ya we say. Amanfo any J stubborn ghost eho. Ena me movie adwuma no you can testify to it say sebe to keep my channel busy keke. I do other things. Ena sika me di twa adwuma no. Se me kasa say sika na me nya di twa fofora it's a lie. I just feel like doing it. Fast forward. Stubborn goes almost share. And my friend Director Jackson said, Director, the real machine, I didn't know me in yet second part. No, say, okay, yeah, mate. May your story no. If only Ubenya cast na but the end so. Kyekyeku because Kyekyeku obi him said, me Tracy Boakye. I'm the last person. I am the last person. And to me, I'm so Director Kyekyeku. Fast forward. Edru say wasi ye kotwa no. Me de me ne church o sisi a obesu. Ma frɛ no. To the extent say nansi ankofo mpo adwuma a okoye ya omo ekotwa second part ni nyina wakotwa. Onfi me. Na am say oh. Ade ma ye obone ana because me de mani hu ni say mpo. I think say bro 2 years mpo. Me ha no obi anko beka say me chair na de no medwuma bia na o meye mame and apart from that ko be medwuma bia I make sure I give him something say any normal child mpa give him me penny pie yesisi no me ye that type me penny pie yesisi no enti no say me ka say ma Kyekyeku $2,000 emre bi enti no Kyekyeku be adwuma me maniska God forbid enya sada I'm not that type but all I didn't tell mama about life you say me who say washeda ena oye me de oye me no but abusuyen let's learn something from this me bunfu ye o ba mumi nsua bibi say hwe se obi ye o papa ohun ye mfa boni ntua ne ka se obi eye o papa I have people in the industry for years I know me now for business asare mu they were my friends min kuku $1,000 mpo nche benestawo director Jackson kebe ntumo de me buy min kuku $500 mpo mani dawo but Kyekyeku de no ekama kuma that let me help this boy ede no ye mame o twa short skate bi no bo me din kekewo onye papa bia mame but I felt akola me mwa no and I make say penny pan this video ne send me say oh yeah help this boy and nunti me friend ne be fi eye de me ye no now enye say me Chinese can me the camera to so a nka me mba live no nka me mba but ye nyina ye mfa enema bi ntu ye hofo that if you see celebrity be any niema bia don't judge them because obi wo ho no ma enema nipa dia ye no a ehye ni mu no okasa oka mo be ba menum enema nipa dia ye nipa ehye ne ho no okasa oka mo be ba menum eche na akoye siri eche na akoye se omo a me chain ska na omo ya no omo siri me because ebi mu ye me crew no eche no omo siri me ene e kan ene akotam ska ma Kyekyeku ene na oh gosh ayo papa eche omo a Kyekyeku omo ye no Kyekyeku no omo frɛ ne dwuma na okɔ but mumie nyina ye mfantu ye hofo muma ye nyina ye mfantu entu de busa ho se senka menya dwuma bia ena movie nko na metwa ena makotwa movie ena ya hwe ena mekotwa part 2 ena maka se me patch o ma me a day or two me I don't do this me twa me movie waka I don't call him but me too kwan no ena me say o me keep me channel no busy busa ho se menya dwuma bia ena movie nko na metwa ena no ne be ma me enye ska to aduane adia enka de Kyekyeku dia ye me menya dwuma bia o movie enko ani adwuma me ye ena Kyekyeku eba be ye adwuma na me se de be ya mensa ebe koma no a enka de boy ne dia ye me I haven't done anything to him. I don't even see him. Menene ye nkasampo. But watch me wickedness. Ade odi I mean to me fan you biada. Watch me etimusum nitimo den. I won't lie to you. But mumye nyina ye mfantu ye hofo. Let's all use this na ye mfa into ye hofo. I know people that don't understand me will come and talk. As I said, I am not for trend. I am not for anything. I didn't even want to do it, but me chani sikano it was social media. But for nipa to know, say nipa binom no adwe omodi na wi ase no. Unya osika nka wonko edi. Senka unya osika enka wonko a enka di. Obviously take your money back me de I don't hate him. I don't need my money. My no papa say me de ni betwa movie. Me ye Kyekyeku papa say me de ni betwa movie a enka me set bia enka me frɛ no. Onu abedia dance here. I don't call him. I hardly call him. Yenye mu bi ye ka ho bi ena ni ba boy ne ho. And you all can attest to that. Because boy no fra mu nyina sa normal. But yen Nyankopon nam yenye mu bi so, and I can say it with my full chest. Nyankopon enam yenye mu bi so. Ene yi boy no epie ye. Enye me na me de ne ba ye. Dr. Likey emo na de ne ba ye. But Nyankopon nam yenye mu bi so. Ene yi boy no out from the brainim. I am the last person who saw this idea me. Na me nim no. Me obi na me kan me Chinese kewie no. I could have called him on me set bia. But me say me kai the last time I made many ho no. Me kai the last time me ne kasaye. But this is about the third or fourth time a boy na bo me timodin. But I see him say time na sebe all struggle no. Omo mfi no. I just omo amfre ne jwa. Time boy no obia apart from Dr. Likey name not all struggle no bien fi no. And ne sankofo no say just omo amfre Kyekyeku be dimirika be kwa akoye omo adwuma menni so na nsanya me menni so me twa stop bongos we ansa na 3940 e kwa akotwa na adwuma na e wo YouTube no 39 e kotwa second one no na ma frɛ Kyekyeku dadaada se o ma me ye madwuma ma me Do you understand? 3940 me Kyekyeku ska man cheni bi. Boy ni free abroche be di Accra 4 days on my set. 4 days on my set. And so boy no me nya ni papa da. 39 mo e kwotwa second one no. And so me hu yan say Kyekyeku was set and so I'm saying wow. So I even called my friend now the number to me. So I sent an audio to him say, "Hey, Kyekyeku sana what's here?"
All right, and then also yeah, just kakra sorry between Tracy Boakye and Kyekyeku. And say Mr. Was when you video in one, make sure so be subscribe to your channel no. Now wa click bell notification send a be anytime be a post video be na also be nya no timi ahwe.